Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And today we got an invitation again from the neighboring shop. As you can see, they are very busy. But they have a perfect example of the maintenance which failed. And you know guys, I'm preaching you should be doing your own maintenance. And this person actually did. Apparently this person did their own engine oil changes. However, we don't know how he did that, how he or she did that. He failed at it, very tragically failed at it, because he destroyed basically the whole engine. And here are the results of the home main oil changes. We are all scratching our heads. If a person was into it, look, even then saw ignition coils. We are scratching heads why it looks like that when he was doing his own oil changes. Was he using a cooking oil? Nobody gave him info that you need to go to the Napa to buy a specific oil.
Definitely not being regularly changed.
Yeah, may I
Yes.
pull this?
Yeah.
You will guys not believe how it looks here. So this is very short video how not to do the maintenance. We are trying encourage, and I am trying encourage all of you doing it yourself, but this is incredible opportunity to show how not to. This is absolute disaster. Yeah. Is this engine kaput, or you will just clean it and hope that it will be okay?
We're going to clean it the best we can and put it back together. However,
with a comment.
Who knows what the oil pickup stream is like?
Oh, it must be
or the other
flat,
internal,
right?
Yeah, you're assuming this buildup is all the way throughout the whole engine.
Are you going to offer him to remove the oil pan and clean the bottom or not?
Yes, but I have the feeling that this customer is probably not going to want to do that.
Yeah, because he's what? Cheapo, probably. If he's doing it himself.
Own maintenance.
Yeah, if he's doing it himself, I will not say cheapo. But if the maintenance ends up this way, I guess his intervals were what, 60,000 miles or 80,000 miles?
I don't know.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows what he did, what he put in it. So please, do your own. I love make videos to help you do your own, but doing regularly and correctly, because this is absolute disaster.
Yes, it is a disaster.
So that was just something interesting from the automotive life. I'm glad the shop invited me to film it for you and share it on this channel. We can see how important is to do engine oil changes, how important is to use the correct oil and doing it in the right interval. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend. And for those who like to know the whole story about this vehicle, stay with me right now. I actually heard the whole story from the owner, and it's very interesting. And I don't want to bash the owner of the vehicle, I don't care. He's anonymous, she will stay anonymous. But it's a good learning for all of us. So the vehicle came not for some problem with running issues. The vehicle came with alternator failure. Apparently, the incoming story was failed alternator, only 2-year-old, supplied by O'Reilly to the owner of the vehicle, who did replace it himself 2 years ago. Now the owner comes with the car and he's like, well, I did the alternator, it should be still covered with a lifetime limited warranty, so I want you to take it out. I will come pick it up, take it to the O'Reilly, get it replaced, and then you will install it back and we will be all happy. So there already you can see it's a problem. These are the people we don't want to deal with. That's why we don't take jobs when people bring their own parts, because it creates this craziness. But what is very important right now to mention, that happened, I guess, yesterday. And the owner was telling me, the owner of the shop was telling me, I have this car and there is really felt alternator, but there is a huge engine oil leak which soaked that alternator to the level that it cannot work anymore. And we called back the owner of the vehicle, and he's refusing to acknowledge this and refusing to listen to us that the engine oil leak first needs to be fixed, because the replacing alternator doesn't make sense when the oil is getting inside of it, and it will happen again. So the correct way is to fix the oil leak, then to replace the alternator. And the owner was fighting them, the owner of the vehicle was fighting the shop on that, and no, and it's not needed, and I don't think so. So they finally convinced him that they got approval that this vehicle is only 10 years old, still worth to fix it. Shouldn't cost so much to fix the oil leak, maybe from valve covers, I didn't catch that detail. But that's why they open it and discover what you just saw in the video. So I fully encourage all of you to do your own maintenance, DIY people. Please keep doing it. Just always check what is the proper procedure. Please follow the videos which are all over YouTube. Most of them are correct, some of them are not, but most of them are. I hope all my videos on Toyota maintenance are correct and you can trust them. There's over 1,000 of them, probably 1,100, so it's a lot of content I created. But yeah, do it yourself, but do it right. I hope you like this story and we can all learn from it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
In a hot tank for half an hour.
I heard that machine running behind the wall, so I was suspecting that's what you guys doing.
It's junk. It won't clean up.
Wow.
So you guys will give him option of a new valve cover?
Yep, of new valve covers.
Yeah.
I mean,
Unbelievable. And these are plastic.
yeah, these are plastic.
I mean, it has nothing to do what we're filming, but this is a plastic
Yeah.
material.
Yeah,
It's
this is-
tempting to clean it so you can put it back on. But
Yeah. So you could try to help the engine somewhat live, but it's just not feasible.
So, yep, if it was done correctly, this could have been avoided.
This all could be avoided. Yeah.
However, there was some mistake in that maintenance, and this is the results.
Yeah. I mean,
Absolute horror.
Sludge fest.
I mean,
Yep, crazy.
crazy stuff.
Thank you,
It
Chet.
looks like
Yeah.
you put bacon grease in there.
Yeah.
That's what we were thinking. Maybe he was using cooking oil because
You can see it's
Yeah.
sticky. I mean, it
Yeah.
literally is stuck.
it's like a cooking vegetable
Yeah,
oil.
it looks like-
It really looks like it.
Yeah. I mean,
He stole from the wife.
Motor oil, not. That's
yeah.
He
I
said, "Hey,
mean,
honey,
I mean, look
where is the oil?"
look at that. Just
How many miles are on it?
Not much.
100 and something thousand.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
Unbelievable. Thank you, Chet.
Yep.
Awesome.
Today we will be working on this one.